First up in the Countertop Pizza Making Championships of the World is the Presto. Now to keep this fight fair, we're going to be doing the same ingredients in both ovens, which is 250 grams of dough, 3 ounces of cheese, 3 ounces of sauce, and some pepperonis. Let's go.
The crust is nice and airy, and the bottom is very crispy. The pizza can support its own weight without bending over. The toppings are nice and brown. I'd say I did a pretty good job.
Coming in at 1440 watts and a little less counter space, we have the Courant Countertop Pizza Maker.
This pizza didn't quite get as cooked on the top. It's more crispy on the bottom, and I will say that the Courant is definitely better at cooking the bottom, where the Pizzazz does a better job at the top. The crust isn't quite as airy as it was with the other one, and the cheese isn't quite as bubbly. Let's give it a bite and see. It's still good for a pizza cooked from dough and a countertop appliance, but it's not as crispy as the other one. I think that's because when the oven's closed, all that steam stays in and kind of steams the crust, so it doesn't dry out and get crispy.
That's it, folks. We have a winner. It's the Presto Pizzazz rotating pizza oven, winning in the categories of crispy and controllability of your cook.